I am going to be making a firestorm prop. The thing is, you have to do this with an actual glove, because if you don't, you will like totally screw your hand up for life. Believe me, I know, but I'm not wearing a glove, so do not attempt this at home. It does hurt a lot. Spray some Axe or any kind of lighter fluid. Make sure it's not inflammable. And then you're gonna go like this with a Zippo lighter. It will light your hand on fire, like that. All right, one more time.
Can I?
No. All right. Use your cologne. Spray it on. Zippo. And that's how you make a firestorm hand. Remember, do not attempt this without a glove for future reference, okay?